How to connect CJ Dropshipping to Woocommerce 2022 e-commerce tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. This is going to be a tutorial in which I'm going to show you how you can do CJ Dropshipping to your Woocommerce, and it's going to be very simple, very easy, and a very precise e-commerce tutorial. So all I need you to do is just sit back, relax, and watch this video throughout till the end and listen to all the instructions. And if you do that and follow all the steps, then I guarantee you that you're going to properly know how to link your CJ dropshipping to your WooCommerce, and it's going to be very simple. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, you can do it either way. You can either do it through CJ dropshipping or you can do it through your WooCommerce page. So I'm just going to do it through my CJ dropshipping. Now you're going to go to your CJ dropshipping and you're going to sign yourself into your account. So I'm just going to do that real quick and be right back. Now, once you're signed in and loaded into your CJ dropshipping page, all you need to do is you're going to go on My CJ. And once we go on My CJ, from there on out, we're just going to wait for it to load up. Now, once this page loads, all you need to do is, first of all, you're going to stay on this page and come down here where it says Activated Stores. Now, if right now I have activated a Shopify store of mine, so it's showing over here. Now, if it's probably going to be blank for you because you haven't updated any stores in your CJ dropshipping. So to do that, you're going to come here where it says store authorization. You're going to click on it, and here it's going to give you all these different e-commerce stores that it is integrated with. So it's Shopify, TikTok, eBay, and this is what we're going to be using, WooCommerce. So we're just going to click on that. And once we click on it, here it comes. You haven't authorized any stores yet. So all you need to do is you're going to click on Add Store, Store Type WooCommerce. You can check if the authorization is default or a plugin. And you're just going to go on default. You're going to add your URL and you're going to click on authorize. And what that's going to do is it's going to take you to your WooCommerce store and it's going to authorize it, and it's going to connect your CJ dropshipping to your WooCommerce. And that is how easy and simple it is to connect your CJ dropshipping to your WooCommerce. So yeah, that's all from me, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.